Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the charging port flex on the iPad mini 6 2021. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires for iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to hit the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or carb pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually and tilt about 45 degrees from the bottom. Next, remove the plate by undoing 5 screws and disconnecting the battery plug and 2 connector plugs connecting the LCD and touch. Be gentle in this process and take out the screen from the body. Next, move to the bottom and then undo 4 screws on the charging port connector. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working charging port from the body. Next, place a new charging port flex on the body and then secure 4 screws. Next, place your LCD assembly by connecting both plugs and then secure the battery plug. Next, secure the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen functionality. And then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use either B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. To clamp up the iPad mini, slide in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Finally, we are using screen binding to tie the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPad mini 6. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.